Nature versus nurture. In the world of psychological brain development in children, there are two main causes for human behavior: nature and nurture. What is nature versus nurture? Nature, in the context of child development, is the process within an organism that guides it to develop according to its genetic code, aka your genuine biological programming. These genetic factors determine your skin color, your hair color, your eye color, and so much more. Nurture is the environmental factors that influence development. These are those outside factors that affect your brain chemistry as you grow up. The habits you develop from your parents, the social relationships you have, your culture, etc. Scientists for a long time have been trying to figure out what the true effects these two qualities have on psychological development in children and adults. John B. Watson, an American psychologist, is the man considered to be the founder of American behaviorism. He led a theoretical approach to understand children in the context of nurture. He believed that through observable behaviors of children, everything is built into a child through the interaction with their environment. He stressed that parents held complete responsibility since they chose what environment to allow their children to develop in. Watson believed that individuals should have fewer children and focus on the responsibility of raising their children right instead. Francis Galton, another psychologist, cousin to the naturalist Charles Darwin, concluded that nature has more of an effect on development. Galton, in a study on multiple pairs of twins with similar physical traits, found that in similar environments, both twins had different intelligence levels that he believed were influenced by their nature, or how they were born. What types of behaviors are strictly due to nature or nurture? The truth is, both nature and nurture have an effect on the way a child develops in nearly all areas of development. Think about this. You come from a family with a history of addiction. Does nature or nurture tell you that you yourself have the chance of becoming an addict? The answer is both. In a study from the American Psychological Association, about 50% of your risk for addiction comes from your genes. Of course, that doesn't mean you have a strict 50% chance of becoming an addict, but it can have an effect on the satisfaction levels or dopamine you may receive from using any sort of substance. If you think about it from the perspective of nurture, think of it as the term monkey see, monkey do. As a child may grow up in an environment with lots of substance abuse, there is a larger possibility that that child may grow up to participate in similar types of addiction. According to the National Association for Children of Alcoholics, children of alcoholic parents are 4 times more likely to grow up to become alcoholics themselves. In conclusion, the way we develop as human beings are determined by both our genetics and the environment we are surrounded with. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.